Hey, Andy, there's somebody in this. His girlfriend's in this. Okay. Hey.
Hey. Look, can you take your hand out of there, please? All right, can you drop that?
I'm not. Until I talk to her, I'm not doing nothing.
Hey,
Come on, man.
just drop the knife, man.
When I talk to her, I'm coming.
What's this all over, my man?
The video for today shows an incident where officers responded to a call about a man who suffers with a mental illness. He was highly intoxicated and had armed himself with a machete. The officers arrived on scene and began negotiating with the man. They demonstrated a tremendous amount of patience and compassion and did everything within their power to ensure that this incident was ended peacefully. These are the types of incidents that happen thousands of times a day across our country and nobody ever hears about.
Hey, my man, let me see your hands. Hey, my man, let me see your hands.
No. You see this?
Hey, put that down.
You see this?
My man,
No.
my man, put that down.
Man, I'm not on that shit.
Columbus Police, put that down.
You see this? You see this?
Sir,
You give a fuck about this? How you give a fuck?
sir, Columbus Police, you need to put that down.
I need to mark on 1A.
Open this door, man.
Sir, he ain't listening to me.
Hey,
Hey, man,
put it down, my man.
Hey, man.
Put it down.
They about to pop me out here.
Put it down.
They about to shoot me out here, man.
No, we don't want to shoot you. Put it
You're
down.
going to.
No, put it
You're
down.
going. That's what you're going to do.
No,
That's
listen.
what you're going to do.
Put the
This
machete
is how
down.
you give a fuck about me. This is what you do.
982, we got the mail outside. He does have a machete. He's not
My
dropping.
man,
What's up?
come on, drop it. Just put it down.
He does have a machete.
Put it down, please.
Hey, firm. He's not dropping it. Not
What's
listening
your
to me.
name? What's your name?
Come here.
My man, what's your
Get
name?
out here. Now.
Hey,
Get out here.
hey, what's your name, man?
What's your name? What's your name? Hey,
Nothing to lose.
no, come on. We're
That's
not.
my name.
Dude, we ain't here for that, man.
Nothing to lose. That's my name.
We're not here. Come on.
Come on, my man.
Hey, Andy, there's somebody in this. His girlfriend's in this. Okay. Hey,
Hey,
Hey, look, man.
look, can you take your hand out of there, please? All right, can you drop that?
I'm not. Until I talk to her, I'm not doing nothing.
Hey,
come on, man.
just drop the knife,
When I
man.
talk to her, I'm coming.
What's this all over, my man?
A misunderstanding.
Listen.
Okay.
All right. Hey, talk to my partner here, please.
Hey, my man. My man, just take your hand out of your waist, please.
43, probably not a 43.
I know.
And one of the parties has a 30.
I know, man, but can you please just listen to me?
Come here. Hey, look.
Can you, hey, just drop the knife for me, man.
Come out here.
Hey,
Come out here.
hey,
Get your ass out here now.
sir, just drop the knife for me and we'll get it figured out.
Get your ass out
Tell
here.
my man, please.
Now.
We're trying to talk to him.
Come,
Hey.
They're not.
Hey,
Come out here.
sir, will you drop the knife and then we'll get this figured out?
Hey, mom. Hey.
Come on, man.
Just drop the knife for me, man.
Please.
Hey, man, I just need to talk to her.
Sir,
We'll let you talk to
No,
him.
y'all gonna put me in cuffs. I can't say what I
No.
need to say.
no, dude, we're just gonna get it figured out, man.
Here, Myra. Get out here.
My man.
Hey, man, y'all ain't gonna keep coming. Hey, man,
Listen.
come out here, Myra. If I put this down, they're coming up. Come out
Listen.
here.
We're gonna come.
Just put the knife down, man.
Bring your ass out here.
We're gonna talk to you.
If you don't come out here, you know what's gonna happen. I told you this already.
Sir, will you please put the knife down?
Get out here, Myra.
Hey, listen to me, man. Put the knife down.
Please.
Get out here, Myra.
Just put the knife down, man.
Come out here, you know what's gonna happen. Get your ass out here. I told you.
What's your name, man?
Man, my name is I ain't got shit to lose. That's my name.
That ain't your name, man.
If you don't come out here, I'm coming
What do you say? Hodge? Edward.
Edward, come on, my man. Please.
Get out here.
Edward.
Edward.
Get out here.
Edward.
Edward. Come on, man.
Get the fuck out here.
Edward.
Hey,
Edward.
will you just drop the knife for me, please, and talk to me?
If you don't come the fuck out here, I told you.
Edward.
Get out here.
Edward, just talk to me, man.
Edward. Come on. You don't want to do this.
Fuck here now.
Edward, listen to me, man.
Edward,
Just,
Get out here.
Edward.
Get out here.
Edward.
Get out here.
Edward. Edward, look at me. Look at me. Edward, look at me. Look at me. Come in. Drop the knife. Listen. Listen. Listen.
Hey, look, check this out.
Bro.
Check this out. Listen to me.
I just, my man. I just need you. If I can hear anything you say, listen to me. I'm trying to help you. I want to help you. I
hey,
want to help you.
Andy, get that collar away from that window.
Edward, we're trying to help you.
Get the collar away from the window. Air that.
We're going to let you talk to her.
No.
Listen.
Collar away from the window.
You know what's going on.
I'm trying to talk to you.
We're going to let you talk to her.
Get out. You're not. If I want to sit down, then you'll get me. Get out here. Nah.
Please.
Get out.
Edward.
Hey, my man, go back inside, please.
Hey, my man.
Begging you to come out. Get out.
Edward, please do me this favor. Please. I'm begging you, my man. Please. Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it. We're going to let you talk to her. Yes, we will. I promise you. I promise you. We just got to make this whole thing safe. Okay? We have to make everything safe. Please, put it down. Please. Okay? We'll get it for you. We're trying to help you. That's fine. But we can help you with that, my man. We can take you somewhere to get some help, to talk to somebody, okay? We can do that. Let us help you. A lot of people got a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, man.
There's always help. I understand. I don't know what you're going through, but my man, we need help. Okay? We're here to help you. Please. Edward, please, let us help you. Please. Edward, please, just put it down. Come on, my man. Put it down. This is not the way, this is not the way. We will let you talk to her. I promise you we will. I promise you we will. We're going to let you talk to her. Edward, drop the knife, man. Put it down. Put it down, Edward.
Edward, come on, man. Just put the knife down, man.
Just put it down. Look, listen, don't worry about them. You're looking at me and my partner right here. Don't worry about them.
Yeah, you ain't got to worry about them, man.
We're here to help.
We will help you,
We
man.
want to help you. We're going to let you talk to them. I promise you we are. let you talk to her, Edward. Okay? Alright? We gotta get you some help, man. This is not it. This is not it. Okay? This is not it. Edward, please. Go ahead and put it down. Edward, please. We're gonna talk.
You will, man. We'll let you talk to her, but you gotta put that knife down, bro. Come on.
Edward, please. Come on, man. I get it. We all, listen, I don't know what you're going through personally, but we all go through a lot. Okay? Come on, man. Just put it down. Edward, please. Drop the knife. Just put it down.
Just put the knife down, man.
Put it on the ground. Oh, man.
Thank you. Can you please step towards me, please?
Step towards us, my man. Step towards us.
All right, hey, can you put your hands on top of your head for me?
Edward, just... Look, listen.
You're not gonna do
We are going to help you, Edward.
no fuck help me.
Look,
I
Edward.
wanna talk about
We're going to let you talk to
Edward, put your hands on top of your head. Edward, put your hands on top of your head.
I promise.
Just put your hands on top of your head for me, bro. Come on.
Put them up, man.
Put your hands on top of your head. Just put your hands on top of your head. Just listen to what I'm saying, man.
Edward,
You will be all right. Just listen to what I'm saying.
Edward, come on. Turn around for us, my man. We're gonna help you. I
Just
promise.
put your hands on top of your head.
Edward,
Just listen to me, my man. Come on.
Edward,
We've walked this far. Let's go.
let's finish this up, man. Let's finish this up.
Come on, man.
Let's finish this up.
I know. Listen, my man. Okay. Can you please put your hands on top of your head? Put your hands on top of your head for me. You do, man. You do. You do, man.
I have nothing. I ain't got shit. That's all I have.
Okay, will you get down on the ground then?
Who's got
No, I'm not. I just told you, you're doing the same shit I just told you I was
Yeah.
gonna do. I want to talk.
Listen. I know, but it's for our safety and your safety,
Yo,
man.
say, man, I gave y'all what I had. Man. I have.
I know, but I don't know if you have anything
I
else.
ain't got. I just pulled up everything, bro. I ain't got shit.
I
I have nothing, bro. I just want to talk to you.
okay. Can you put your hands on top of your head?
No, because y'all gonna do the same shit.
And then, hey, you put your hands on top of your head. I'm gonna come up to you without any weapons in my hands. It'll be my empty hands. I swear. Okay? Listen. Look at me. Look. Hey, look at me. Look. I got nothing in my hands. All right? I got nothing in my hands. Okay? Here. We're going down. We're going down. We're going down. This is, I know, but listen to me. Just relax. I know, but listen to me. Just relax.
We appreciate you. You hear me?
We're not here to hurt you, bro.
But it's the same shit that I told you I was
I
gonna
know.
do.
We're gonna let you talk to it.
You're not.
We are.
We are.
We are.
Relax.
We just need to make everything safe. Okay?
I apologize.
No. You got a lot going on. You said it, right?
I'm fucked up.
Listen, I'm just gonna put you down, all right?
I told you.
I know, but I gotta do it. I know. All right?
I apologize.
It's all
I
right.
just gotta do what I gotta do. All right? It ain't nothing against you. It ain't nothing against nobody. It's my job. All right? That's it, man. That's it.
Okay. Listen.
Can you pull my cruiser up here?
Yep. Are you 96? Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I am personally thanking you for dropping and doing what you're doing. Okay? Thank you. I'm serious. We are here to help you. Okay? Thank you.
Let go of this pain tonight, okay? Just let it all out tonight, okay? Just let it all out.
You're good, my man. You're good.
I apologize.
No, dude, you're fine. Here, we're gonna walk over here to my cruiser.
It's the same shit.
No, listen to me. Just listen to me. Okay? Just listen. I ain't lied to you yet. Have I?
Take me, man. Let's
No.
go, man. Get this shit
No,
over.
come on. I ain't lied to you yet. I'll bring her out here. I know. Relax. Relax.
Don't ever say that to me.
Relax. Relax. We all got a lot going on, man. So we're gonna try to help figure it out for you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
Just have a seat for me, man.
So everybody else took off on all the other stuff.
Where's the 43 at?
It started. It came out as a 43. Then it was re-aired as a 17 with a person with a 33.
Oh.
So then I missed a bunch of stuff because I was here. But then it sounds like they may have the dude that fled, whether it was an actual 43 or not. The dude that fled out of it. OSP may have stopped and then turned into a 5-7 on zone 4. And in the middle of these guys taking off to that, they're okay. But then the 10-8 went out. So now 6 is going over there.
Oh.
So I'm not sure if it was an actual 43, but it sounded like it was a good 17.
Hey, my man.
Yo.
I'm just gonna put the seatbelt on you.
This one joint right here. That's cool.
The what?
This one loosening this one a little bit. Just on the left side.
This one?
Yeah. This one's
You-
cool.
Okay, I got it a little tight.
Yeah.
I got you. Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. Is that better?
Yeah. I'm sorry about this, man.
No, hey, my man. You don't gotta apologize to me, man.
I do, man. This
No.
ain't even me, man. I'm not.
No, but this is what we do. This is what we do. This is our job. This is my job. Right? But I can't do my job until we got to the point where you dropped a knife. Right? Now I can do my job, where I can get you to the help that you need.
Yeah,
Right?
I just get tired of fighting, man. She
I
didn't
get it.
realize it, man.
So, hey, my man,
man,
we got no violation of law, so I'm not taking you to jail on anything, okay? But what we're gonna do, we're gonna go over to Riverside Hospital. That way you can talk to a doctor about what's going on, okay? And let them know you're off your meds, what meds you're on, you haven't taken them for X amount of days, right?
I haven't taken my meds for a while, but
Right, but every day that you miss, say you were on them for 2 months, if you miss a day,
it off balance.
it resets to zero
I
again.
know.
So you got to make sure you stay on them, because then it'll help balance you, right? It will, I promise you. Trust me.
All right, thank
Okay? Let's get you going.
you. All right.